Section 4.3 starts talking about logs or logarithmic functions. So 1 through 4 says graph the following functions and state their domain. So if you go to your y equals and type in log of x, then the graph should look kind of like this. And doesn't need to be perfect, so that's okay. The domain, again, is the x values, so from left to right. This one actually starts at 0 and goes all the way to infinity. And it can't equal 0, so if you just go to the home screen on your calculator and type in log of 0, you'll get a domain error. So that's why we need the parentheses around the 0. If you type for number 2, log of x minus 3, and graph, you'll get a similar graph, but it's actually shifted over. Now, on the calculator, it won't show that the graph kind of has a tail, but it actually does. And again, it won't show, but the graph actually keeps going down, even though it stops in the calculator. The reason for this is because the graph gets so steep that it kind of registers like a vertical line on the calculator. And we can't have vertical lines, so it basically just stops. But in actuality, there will be a tail there. So my domain would be 3 to infinity because it's been shifted over. ln is the natural log. If you graph that, it's going to look very similar, and its domain is also 0 to infinity. And then if you do ln of x plus 4, this has been shifted over this way. And my domain will be -4 to infinity. So the graphs look pretty much all the same. Just like with the exponentials, there's not too much variety.